Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make Kalmi Kebab. So let's get started and check out the recipe. To make this recipe, here I have taken 4 chicken legs which is washed and cleaned and made some slits in between so that the masala goes inside the chicken when we marinate them. 1 teaspoon black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of curd or yogurt, 1 tablespoon of cashew nuts powder, 1 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 tablespoon butter, 1 cup of coriander leaves and 1 cup of mint leaves, 1 teaspoon garam masala, salt as required, around 4 green chilies, 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice, 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi and 2 tablespoons of oil. Now let's start with the first marination. Take the chicken legs in a large bowl or a plate. To this add in 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, followed by 2 tablespoons of lemon or lime juice and mix everything well. Now this is done. Let this sit for 15 minutes. Meanwhile, let's make green masala for the second marination. So for that, here I have taken a blender to which I am adding in green chilies, kasuri methi, ginger garlic paste, coriander leaves, mint leaves, garam masala and curd or yogurt. Now grind it into smooth fine paste without adding any water. Our green masala is done and ready. It's been 15 minutes. Now let's start with the second marination. For the second marination, just add in the grinded masala to the chicken legs and mix well. And make sure that the masala goes inside the chicken. So cover the lid and keep this in refrigerator for at least 1 hour or overnight. It's been 1 hour. Now let's start making kebabs. Heat a pan and add in 1 tablespoon of butter and 2 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil is heated, add in the chicken pieces along with the green masala. Now cover the lid and cook for 5 minutes on medium flame and stir in between. After 5 minutes, add in the cashew nuts powder and mix well. Now let this cook for 10 minutes on medium to low flame till the chicken pieces are nicely cooked and turns deep golden in color. After 10 minutes, as you can notice that the masala is completely absorbed by the chicken, which means it's perfectly cooked. Now turn off the flame and take it out into a separate plate. So dear friends, our tasty Kalmi Kebab is done and ready. Squeeze some lemon juice on top of it and enjoy with some onion rings and mint chutney. If you like this recipe, hit the like button below and share it with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe my channel for latest updates. Thank you.